Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another ghee that's popular in the market, which is the Mother Dairy Ghee. So guys, this is the Mother Dairy Ghee 1 liter pouch that I have here, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the review. So the Mother Dairy Ghee comes in a plastic pouch here, and right here we can see the Mother Dairy branding. Here is the name of the product, which is ghee, and it's made from cow milk. This ghee is a good source of energy. It contains the goodness of vitamin A, and it has a great taste. Right? There is only natural color. There's good aroma to it, and it has a smooth texture as well. Mother Dairy Ghee also has a Government of India ghee special grade stamp right here on the package. You can see this. It certifies it's a pure ghee. Right? It's a pure vegetarian product. Here's a vegetarian symbol. Moving on to the back of the pack, here says 1 chamat swad ka, like you should daily. It's recommended to have a spoonful of ghee daily in your diet, so which will keep you healthy. Moving on, here they have mentioned that net contents are 45 degrees Celsius, is 1 liter. Ingredients are nothing but milk fat, because ghee is made out of milk fat. Here are the nutritional facts mentioned, and then they are given the shelf life as 8 months here from packaging when stored in a cool and dry place. So you have to store it in a cool and dry place so that it remains fresh. Moving on, coming to the price of the product, the MRP of the product is rupees 500 for 1 liter. So the MRP is rupees 500 for 1 liter of ghee. That is the MRP of the Mother Dairy Ghee. Open this pack and transfer the content immediately in an airtight container stored in a cool, dry and hygienic place. So to have a good shelf life for the ghee, make sure to transfer this into a airtight container, and then you can store it in a cool, dry place in your kitchen. So guys, that's all the information available on the packet. So it seems to be in a liquid form right now because it was kept outside. When you keep the ghee in the fridge, it will solidify. So you should not try to keep ghee in the fridge. It should always be outside in a cupboard or something, in a cool, dry place. So ghee is very beneficial. It has a lot of good fats. So not to go overboard with ghee, like all other nutritional fats. Ghee also needs to be consumed in moderation. Having ghee in moderation has its own benefits. So yes, it's always good to have something in moderation, and ghee as well. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.